Bring back the ZIM dollar. We have all walked that road before. Only 8 years ago, we were all poor trillionaires after a similar ill-advised decision. Considering that most of us Zimbabweans are now in the informal sector, these bond notes cannot be used where we buy our wares and goods. All new currency.
Masquerade Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel ZIM Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garo ga subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Na Masquerade Zimbabwe takuigira nyaya yabulitswa na the spokesperson wa webatore CCC va promise mkwananzi ababuda vachishare a video the late former opposition leader NaMorgan Tsvangirai avaitungamira bato MDC vachitaura pamusoro new currency ndofunga mazuva yapashandiswa the bond note asi promise mkwananzi vabuda vachirefer to the ZiG vachitaura vachiti it was condemned by President Tsvangirai many years ago. So pane audio yatakuvigirai NaMorgan Tsvangirai achikondema any currency inokwanisa kugadzirwa muno muZimbabwe, since only the US dollar ndo inokwanisa kushanda muno muZimbabwe, since a lot of people are now into informal sector, since so Zimbabwe inokwanisa kuita currency inobekwa neproduction, since nekudaro hatisatashika pekuti currency yedu inokwanisa kubekwa neproduction munyika, since the introduction yema-new currencies is a way yekuba mari dzevanhu, hard-earned money evanhu, since they look at mapensioners matoro akaitwa mari nenyaya yema-currencies ari kushandiswa muno muZimbabwe. Tingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi. Tisingade kuwesta nguva yedu kuti mungonzwa audio yataurwa naVatsvangirai vaMorgan Tsvangirai vachitaura pamusoro penyaya iyi. Inzwai audio yatodawo kupai mobva matiudza zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Bring back the ZIM dollar. We have all walked that road before. Only 8 years ago, we were all poor trillionaires after a similar ill-advised decision. Considering that most of us Zimbabweans are now in the informal sector, these bond notes cannot be used where we buy our wares and goods. All new currency has to be backed by economic production, and this country at this stage is not ready for a return of the ZIM dollar. We will return again to the empty shops, we will return again to the chaos, and it is clear that this government wants to abuse our hard-working civil servants by giving them this bond paper as their salaries. As a country and as a people, we must reject this for the sake of our country and the stability and legacy we must leave for future generations. All patriotic Zimbabweans must reject this. People lost their livelihoods, pensioners lost their life savings, and the economy went on a tailspin. We cannot walk that road again. We said they can rig the election, but they cannot rig the economy. These bond notes are an attempt to rig the economy. We are consulting with others in the broader democratic movement. We urge all patriotic Zimbabweans to join us in our national public expressions in the provinces against misgovernance and the huge crisis we face as a nation.
Ndofunga mangozvinzwira zvakataurwa naMorgan Tsvangirai since Zimbabwe inoda currency inobekwa neproduction yemunyika, since the introduction yema-notes nema-new currencies aya takazviona kudhara zvichiitika, hapana chakabuda. Tisingazive kuti the ZiG coin rabuditswa iri rinokwanisa kusimudza nyika here kana kuti. Ndofunga recently the now leader weopposition vaNelson Chamisa vakabuda vachikomenta on this issue yenew note rapinda iri new currency yapinda iyi. Vakataura vachiti Zimbabwe needs political change, not a currency change. A currency change is a bundle of trust and confidence. A currency is not a currency without confidence and value. Money represents a collective trust in the stability and reliability of the government. Its value is derived from the amalgamation of this confidence. Instead of introducing a structured currency, we need a conversation that produces a citizens-backed, structured political change and new government. A bond not by another name will not fix our challenges. A currency is a bundle of confidence, and confidence is a product of good politics and good leadership. Currency change has failed before, and it surely will fail again. All this because of broken politics, disputed elections, and contested national processes. In recent years, all these currencies failed because of bad politics. Zimbabwean dollar, USD, bond note, RTGS, gold coins, ZiG. It is given that the new currency will fail again because of bad politics. Currency reforms will not guarantee currency stability, but good politics will lay the foundation for currency stability. Zimbabwe needs a political and democratic leadership change, not a currency change. No amount of currency change will pivot the nation into prosperity and boom. The citizens have zero confidence in the leader of the country. Once the citizens lose confidence in an administration, they automatically lose confidence in all that it stands for or represents. Nothing short of a total change and seeking the face of our God who will rescue the nation's fortune. Zvakataurwa Nelson Chamisa pamusoro pevis structured currency muri Zimbabwe. Zvakare vatendai biti vabudawo futi vachitaura pamusoro this structured currency yakaintroducwa, this ZiG yakaintroducwa. Vakabuda vachitaura ivo vakataura vakati introducing a currency is a process. It's not a one-night thing. It's not like you put on a red t-shirt today, then a yellow t-shirt or a blue one the day later. It's a process because you'll be trying to build confidence internally. For Zimbabwe, tingazive kuti munoona sei these opposition leaders havasi kuda this new currency asi the new RBZ governor very confident kuti the new structured currency ichashanda muri Zimbabwe. Tingazive kuti imimiwo munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzewo zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section kuti the gold backed currency ichashanda here kana kuti tiudze zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.